Beer is something that many adults enjoy drinking. When it comes to serving beer, there are many ways to go about this task. While some people prefer to drink straight from a bottle, others enjoy pouring out of a glass of beer instead. If you're one of those people who would rather prefer to pour your beer into a glass, then you probably already know about beer dispensers and kegerators. In this review, we'll take a look at the best outdoor kegerator, allowing you to serve up ice-cold beer while having a barbecue with friends and family outdoors. We've researched and discovered the 7 top-rated outdoor kegerators as well as the worst one to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 7 best outdoor kegerator plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, EdgeStar KC2000 SSTWIN full-size stainless steel dual-tap kegerator and draft beer dispenser. Kegerators with 2 taps are convenient and quite popular, which is why we decided to start this review by looking at the best dual-tap outdoor kegerator that we could find. The EdgeStar full-size stainless steel dual-tap kegerator and draft beer dispenser certainly matched our criteria when we filtered through the options available on the market. The device is made from quality stainless steel material, which means there is no need to worry about the weather conditions on the outside of your house, as this kegerator will easily withstand them. The EdgeStar full-size stainless steel dual-tap kegerator and draft beer dispenser can provide temperatures that range from low 30 degrees Fahrenheit up to mid 40s Fahrenheit. Rolling casters are included underneath the kegerator to make moving the kegerator easy and convenient, while a protective floor mat, also includes with the purchase of this outdoor kegerator, protects the surface underneath the kegerator. This particular kegerator comes with 2 different colors, including black and silver. Coming in at number 2, the EdgeStar full-size tower-cooled triple-tap built-in outdoor kegerator. The best triple-tap outdoor kegerator that we were able to find is the EdgeStar KC700 0SSODTRIP full-size tower-cooled triple-tap built-in outdoor kegerator. Now, it is important to understand that there is not a portable kegerator that you'll be able to move around from one location to the other. Instead, this particular option was built and designed to be built into a cupboard space, and the top side of this kegerator will then be insulated within the countertop. The EdgeStar full-size tower-cooled triple-tap built-in outdoor kegerator features a built-in cooling system, together with a ventilation system in the front and air-cooled internal beer tower. This kegerator also comes with a safety long, a professional handle, and an adjustable thermostat that lets you determine how cold your beer should be served. The door is reversible, and this kegerator comes with a total of 4 casters included with purchase. Coming in at number 3, Kegco Kegerator Digital Beer Keg Cooler Refrigerator. The next outdoor beer dispenser with a built-in cooler that we want to take a look at is the Kegco Kegerator Digital Beer Keg Cooler Refrigerator. This is a complete system that comes included with a keg tapping kit, making it more convenient and less costly on your side to get things going and to be sure that you're ready to serve beer with friends and family come over. This outdoor kegerator features a very large interior that makes a large variety of kegs can be supported. The Kegco Kegerator Digital Beer Keg Cooler Refrigerator is compatible with Coors kegs, rubber kegs, and Miller kegs. The product comes with a range of additional features that makes it an ideal choice for many people, such as the high-quality material used in its construction, combined with the powerful technology used to ensure the beer that's located on the inside of this kegerator can be kept at the perfect temperature at all times. Looking to learn more about the best outdoor kegerators in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, EdgeStar KC300 0SS full-size kegerator with digital display. The best commercial kegerator is not necessarily the largest one, but rather one that was built to last a significant period of time. For smaller commercial operations, the EdgeStar full-size Kegerator with digital display is a perfect option, as it can also double as a Kegerator for the outdoor area at home. This particular option comes with a freestanding design. That means you don't have to worry about the need for building and reconstructing cupboards in order to start using this Kegerator. The product is also compatible with a variety of kegs that you're able to find on the market. The EdgeStar KC3000SS full-size Kegerator with digital display features a built-in customizable thermostat which can be adjusted with ease. The current temperature on the inside can also be viewed by checking out the digital display unit that's also built into the device. This product comes with a drip tray, a guardrail, as well as a set of a caster. Various modes can be chosen to adhere to your preferences, including a deep chill mode for faster cooling of your beer. Coming in at number 5, Kegco KC09SS-1 full-size digital Kegerator. If you're still looking for the best Kegerator refrigerator that can provide you with value for your money, then be sure to look at the Kegco full-size digital Kegerator. This outdoor Kegerator is digitally operated to ensure temperature can be adjusted and set accurately, which means you can serve beer at the specific temperature that you enjoy it. The product utilizes a dual gauge CO2 regulator, and it comes included with a CO2 cylinder. This ensures beer will always taste fresh even if you have been storing the beer in the Kegerator for more than a day. The larger interior compartment of this Kegerator also means you might be able to use an existing keg that you have lying around, reducing the need for having to purchase a new keg that's compatible specifically with this outdoor Kegerator. Coming in at number 6, Nostalgia KRS2100 full-size Kegerator draft beer dispenser. The Nostalgia full-size Kegerator draft beer dispenser offers the perfect balance for anyone who's in need of a product that is not too expensive but still provides functionality in the outdoor Kegerator variety. This particular Kegerator comes with a very attractive design that will easily fit into any modern outdoor area. The double tap system means beer can be dispensed into 2 glasses at once. This product also features a 13-inch chrome beer tap tower, a guardrail, a drip tray that's made from stainless steel material, and a spring-loaded tap system. This outdoor Kegerator is available in black or silver. Coming in at number 7, Kegermeister Kegerator full-size single-tap beer refrigerator and dispenser. The last option on this review is surely the best single-tap outdoor Kegerator that you'll find available. The product features a very attractive and modern design, along with a series of useful features that will make the process of dispensing beer outdoors convenient and a breeze. The Kegerator KM2800BK Kegerator full-size single-tap beer refrigerator and dispenser is UL approved, which means this device can also be used for commercial operations. It comes with a set of smooth rolling casters, and the system can keep beer stored within an internal compartment fresh for as long as 3 months. The temperature of the device can easily be adjusted according to your preferences. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite outdoor Kegerator. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. Now that we've introduced you to 7 of the best outdoor Kegerator options on the market, we'd like to show you one of the worst outdoor Kegerators available as well, to help you avoid wasting your money on a Kegerator that will only end up disappointing you. First, the Kegco Commercial Direct Draw Beer Dispenser is severely overpriced. Even though this outdoor Kegerator is NSF compliant and features a commercial grade setup, there are much better options out there at significantly lower prices. The Kegco Commercial Direct Draw Beer Dispenser is a freestanding Kegerator that is mounted on a set of wheels, which does make it relatively easy to move the Kegerator around. This particular product was designed to be an appropriate option for both home use and commercial use, as the manufacturer claims that it can be used by pubs, bars, and restaurants. There is a manual dial fitted on the Kegerator that also allows the temperature of this kegerator to be set to a preferred option to serve beer at an appropriate temperature. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying the best outdoor kegerator. Dispensing beer through a kegerator is a preferred method of serving this type of alcoholic beverage to your friends and family. When having a barbecue or hosting an event outdoors, even if it's just for a day out by the pool, serving beer can best be done through the best outdoor kegerator. Looking to learn more about the best outdoor kegerators in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite outdoor kegerator. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.